Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Tomatoes offer fiber, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and more. And the bright red color of a ripe tomato isn't just a feast for the eyes. The color comes from lycopene giving tomatoes their red pigment, and beta-carotene contributing the orangey glow. Two antioxidants responsible for some of the health benefits of tomatoes: lowers heart disease risk and cholesterol. Heart disease is a leading cause of death in the US, and worldwide, but researchers have discovered that a diet that includes tomatoes, which are rich in lycopene, helps reduce this risk. Lower cancer risk. Some studies suggest that people who eat more tomatoes have a lower risk of lung, prostate, and stomach cancer. Researchers believe the lycopene and beta-carotene in tomatoes reduce your cancer risk. Increase immunity. Vitamin C is essential to helping your immune system. May improve sperm's mobility. Research shows that tomatoes can help with one issue: sperm mobility, which is how well sperm can swim. If sperm can't move efficiently toward the egg, fertilization can't happen. Caution: overuse can result in a range of complications, can produce allergic reactions, and can interact with other medications. You should check with your health care provider.